Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're in a meeting and need to stop sharing now. First, verify what you're sharing whole screen, an application window, or a browser tab, because the control you use depends on that. Once done, look for the meeting controls or the floating sharing toolbar the app provides. It usually contains the Stop Sharing button. Make sure to close any sensitive files first so nothing remains visible when you end the share, and keep your cursor away from the shared content as you prepare to stop. Now take action by using the app's specific controls. Click the Stop Sharing or Stop button on the meeting toolbar. Some apps require you to open a small floating panel first. If you used a picker to select a particular screen or window, reopen that picker and deselect the item, then confirm to end the transmission. On mobile devices, tap the sharing indicator near the top of the screen and choose End Share or Stop Broadcasting. Doing this ensures the app stops sending frames instantly and returns you to normal view. Finish by verifying that sharing actually stopped. Ask someone in the meeting to confirm they no longer see your screen. If they still see it, proactively toggle your camera or microphone. Sometimes resetting a stream clears residual sharing. If that fails, leave and rejoin the meeting to reset session permissions, and check your system's screen recording or sharing permissions in settings. That step fixes most persistent cases because it forces the app to re-establish its media streams and clears any stuck sharing session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.